The funny thing right now is that this glue that I'm using to glue these lashes should be an ear glue, which relates to what was it can't hold my lash. It's now 11:30. We need to start with something else. I think we have it. Do you think I have it? I'm not sure if I have it. I'm not sure, but I don't want. I have to get ready because my drive comes at 1:30 and it's not doing. Woman not do right. Oh my god. Okay, I think we're good. I think we're good. Don't jinx it. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Dakota. If you're new here, subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet. And if you're returning, welcome back. In case you guys miss me, I don't want to say I'm sorry because I'm not sorry. I was not posting because I was not in the position to post. I was not in the position because I was fighting for my life. But no, we're going back to Jamaica. I love my sweet, sweet Jamaica, the land of food and water. I'm alive, I'm alive, I'm alive. A girl likes you, but you don't know. I am at the airport, guys. Someone I'm gonna pay $7 for that. But I don't pay $7 for that. Now I call it the connected, right? But if you cut it quickly, I'll go inside. Cause I'm out here, so like some of them at home. What is work? What's your swords? I am in inside with all of my luggage. I'm sorry, but I really feel very bugga. I'm going to call my boyfriend to let him know that I am at the airport and I'm okay. Yeah, we stay litty, but what? Murderation, botheration, organization. When I'm the driver, I may have reached Jamaica. I am checked in. My gate is at B19. My flight board at 4:50. It's now 3 something. And because the guy cool, he's so cool. And yeah, I'm just now waiting. I'm a flight to be booked for me to go home. Something happened. I think I told the guy that I don't have a right to go home. That fixed. And it's just something bother me, and then God fixed something for me. So yeah. So I'm in the bathroom. Obviously, guys. One more turn on this. No, for real, I turn on. Is it that it's not working? Oh, I don't see this here. No, genuine question. Oh, somebody in here probably I wish we could not used to find equipment that. I am at my gate. I was stopped at TSA because my laptop was in my carry-on and I'm taking it out. So I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna miss boarding. But I made it right in time. Yay!
Northwest. Don't think that's going to impact us on our arrival time. It's moving out to the northeast.
We are not ready to go at this time, so please ensure that your seatbelts are securely fastened, your tray tables and carry-on items are properly stowed, and your aisle armrests are in the resting position.
Now sit back, relax, and please pay attention to this important safety presentation.
I am off that plane and to the next. been obsessed with this perfume for the longest while, right? And I couldn't find it anywhere. Anyways, they have a Chanel store here, and it's here. I'm gonna if I want to buy it. Should I buy it as a last treat to myself? I'm going to get food, something something very light because I'm not really hungry. Like the hungry gone, my party too. So I'm gonna get food. Like them send me some bag, I go straight to Montego Bay, and it's like my so paranoid. I have to go to somebody say, "You sure to go Montego Bay?" And I'm like, "Yeah, I'm sure to go Montego Bay," but it's just paranoid, cause I'll be damn if I reach Montego Bay and them send my bag still up, yeah. I really want miso soup. Oh my god, miso soup.
I'm Atlanta Mayor.
For sure.
I want to sleep, but I will have to sleep when I'm on the plane where I feel much secure. Cause when I want to shut my eye and wake up and everything gone for yourself, what about? But I can show wicked. But yeah, I just bought food that was shit. Wendy's French toast is better. Wendy's syrup is better. I haven't had the coffee because it's very hot, but that was shit. I'm about to boat for a plane to Jamaica, and I want to be so bad. It's so bad.
Turn up to the max, I whop her from the back. I gave that bitch a cramp. They love me out in France. In the hood, I'm good, I'm stamped. Every day I.
This is the face of so hard has been seen in the 40 days of Fortnite.
This the Game of Thrones. Easy not the clones. Elon with my rocket ship. It's time to go home. They served us the porn since the day we was born. Anybody pissed off? Gotta make a drink of yours. Now I'm getting Kelly bitch. Now I'm real Cosby bitch. Now I'm Puff Daddy rich. That's me to the bitch.
You guys have to understand all of this.
Yeah, we learn it panel by panel. Every rectangle you see, we learn one at a time.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely. Here's some wings too if you want to like throw them on your backpack or something. Absolutely.
Ow. How much you can?
Okay. Sounds good. Thanks for doing it.
Yeah.
We're good.
Oh, you know what? I got thin as well. I'm not sure if I'm going to the right place. I'm just following the crowd. So, yeah. I got pins, and I got cards, and I got pictures. I got everything. I lost the girl I was on the plane with because I was busy creating memories for myself.
I know that they tired me having like 10 hoes. She needs some presidential, she should be presidential.
So I'm on the front, I'm at the front, that with the upstairs at the front. I'm about to have all of the nice views, and you guys are about to have all of them too.
Tell the whole league. 50 million stuff in the back, tell the whole gang hit. It's late, somebody tell me who fucking with. Oh, holla that car, I'm feeling that whole rush sleep. Dollar signs all of my dreams, I don't never see Z's. Why, this way, cover my body like it's a disease.
If your seat on recliner receipt from your hand is comfort.
You want to know the crazy thing is? This video is supposed to be up tomorrow. That's what I told myself, tomorrow. I'm getting home, I'm reaching home tomorrow. Also, I have a committee meeting at 8 o'clock, so I need to lock in for that because family is locking out. This is not my first committee meeting, so like my first impression needs to be. So yeah, I have that. I'm my alarm set, so we have that. My devices are charged, Wi-Fi is on board, it's working, so we're good to go. Hopefully they don't ask me to speak because I can't speak loudly because I have to be moderate about that. So hopefully they don't ask me to speak. I don't think I have much to share because I don't know, I just don't have much to share. But yeah, we're going